Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to install a PS5 retro sticker. These make your PlayStation 5 look great. So first things first, let's get our PS5 on a work surface, and we want to upgrade this sticker here in the top left hand corner. As you can see, it's just simply black. So lay your PlayStation down with the disk drive pointing towards you, and then you want to get your hand behind the PS5 logo and pull up and towards yourself, and this should pop the cover off quite easily. Now it does take a little bit of elbow grease, but it shouldn't be too difficult, and this will expose where we can add our sticker here in the top corner. So here's our sticker. Let's take it off and let's lay it in place. Be careful to get it right in the grooves. And let's reattach the cover. Now it's only a subtle change, however I think that looks much better. Let us know in the comments below if you do. If you want one of these stickers, you'll find it in the link in the description below.